lwami amwela kuzwa kwa amazi mwangala abulozi elikumusa kayona kinako hape yalomitisiza ngali tukisoza Makande Mwa Silozi miluka kenela fela mwalitoho zepanga Makande BAANA ba LILIMO ze 90 MONGU BAKUPILE TUSO ASAMULAHO wa KUKULA LIHUTU ni MUKOKOTO MWALA BAITAMILE KUSHONGOLOLA KWAMANA ni KUZWA KWABONA LIKETISA SIWASANYAMBE BANANI SEPO ya KUWINA LIKETISA ZETAHA ni Makande kakutala kina Mike Moya BAANA ba LILIMO ze 90 za kupepwa mwasi bakasaka mbule masikiliti sa MONGU bao bakula MUKOKOTO ni kulobe ya LIHUTU BAKUPILE TUSO kuzwelela kwa batu bo Alfred Mulemwa kachwali baitingile kwa lubasi lwabona kutusiwa mi bana babona bo mako kwa matinguluka baingile kalulo ya kubatusa kweza msevezi ya kazazi nizazi yesu anasina kucha kutapa mani nikuzamaya kwa mbola kwa Bulozi TV bo matinguluka bakupile kwa batusi ni tutengo totufa tuso kwa spula sa kuzamaila yona wheelchair mumbeta nize muzeo likatusa kunolofaza bwino bo bashemi babona zengata mapiho tatama.
For 90-year-old Alfred Mulemwa, life after a stroke and a broken leg has become increasingly difficult. Mulemwa is the only man in a household of 5, with the rest being female family members who have taken on the responsibility of caring for him, including bathing and being taken to answer the call of nature. His eldest daughter, Makokwa Matinguluka, explains the situation.
He's 90 years old, so exercise. He's been sick for a long time. We've been taking care of him just like the way you're seeing us like this. At some point, he took a step to say, let me exercise a bit. So that as he was going to the tarmac, he fell down and then he broke his leg. So from that time, until now, trying zama stroke, BP, ni sugar. 5 months ago. So Baspatera, they said the operation that they're supposed to do, it will take about 3 hours, which he won't survive the operation. So they just said, we're going to give him some medication, then you take care of him at home.
The family also benefits from government social cash transfer program, but Batinguluka says the money is not enough to meet the needs of all 5 household members.
It's not easy for me, being the eldest in the family, because looking at the situation, I also have to look at my younger siblings and also have to look after dad. So when you look at the 800 kwacha, when you get it, and then I don't work as well, I just do my pieceworks. So if we get the 100 kwacha and then you buy milimo and other things, so which means these other things will remain, and then I'll also have to start looking around again. So for him, he needs a lot of things. He doesn't walk and he doesn't go to the toilet alone, so he needs like wheelchair or something. Even my diapers, because as at now he can't even sit, he can't even talk, he's just like that. And we are all girls, so it's very hard.
They are now appealing to well-wishers and charitable organizations for a wheelchair, diapers and assistance towards a better house, among other basic necessities.
We are appealing to all well-wishers, those people that can be kind enough to help us, because when you look at this situation, it's not easy for me. At least if I had a job, I would have done 1 or 2 things. So looking at the situation, anyone who feels pity on us can do all to help us. And I'm appealing, if there's anyone who can help me out also, help me out with a job so that I can take care of dad and also my siblings. Really crying out to you people, because the weight of this family is all on my shoulder.
Baziele hile wonape baziele kibakuli bali utuapa zueli sapo utucheba ezefela hakuna mama kona kupilela muso batuse uli baziele hile hakuna mama kona kupilela ni mabasi abo ni mabasi ateni ape ababereki nape bona baba inani bona kibasizani kafela bona.
For an elderly man who can no longer walk or independently attend to his own needs, the family hopes a helping hand can bring some dignity and relief to his daily life. Mike Moya, for Bulozi TV News in MONGU District, Western Province.
Vene baipapata kuyemela sibakasalwe na mwandu ya melao bomwala kalaluka baitamile kushongolola zeo batamilikeze kuba kuitusiswa kwa lika za muso ni batu ili kutiseza baipapati kuzwa mwaliketisa za namungelele za silimo onase bomwala batalusize litabaze ASAMULAHO wa mungendenge wakatengo kakabona za liketisa ka Electoral Commission of Zambia yona ECZ kabukuswani wa kutatuba mapampili ya kupotsa iliyo na ma ballot papers ilifo kufumanukuli livizo labona bomwala aliyo fa mapampili ya batalusize kuli neisi balivamu bavao ne bazwile maliketsa mi batalusize kuli bakashongolola niti ya kalulo onaye.
Following the confirmation of his omission from the ballot paper during the ECZ verification exercise at Limulunga Town Council, independent Luena parliamentary candidate MWALA Kalaluka has vowed to expose what he alleges was the use of public funds and individuals to influence the withdrawals of candidates.
The truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth will come out in the course of law. The people of Luena will finance the legal fees for this particular activity. They are the ones whose democracy is on the line. The truth about how State House, National Assembly, the UPND Secretariat, both at national and provincial levels, colluded in spending resources, public resources, both financial and human, to cause or trigger all these withdrawals, which I was not part and parcel of, unless someone can be able to prove that I was part and parcel of this. So we are ready to claim our rights. This is the beginning of everything. Things will be righted, wrongs will be corrected.
Meanwhile, residents who witnessed the verification exercise have sympathized with MWALA and encouraged him to remain strong as he pursues the matter.
Kilezo yakakubona kikuli basike bazwafa na kwa pesa taha bakakona kuyema basike babilaera ni batu babona kaufera basike babilaera na kwesalite na pe bakayema na kwetatama tutelefera kwa mapatizi ya mamu baswalisane nibona kufita kunyema balukuluhe baswalisane nisikyaba batu bakule na kwa mumwenzi bakachinji bakebaziba mafosa bakaberekera futeni ku mafosa abapangire famwenda bana kwa kutera bakalaterera ngalika mulisana yakubera lero kona kuli basike babilaera hulu basike bayikutwa mulutu kono bazwele pili na kwemo hape kebazi mumbasoni yakweliba.
MWALA says he remains determined to speak for the people of Luena, with legal actions still on the table over his exclusion from the ballot. Reporting for Bulozi TV, Mary Malisana, Limulunga District, Western Province.
Zeoni halili chwalo, baba ipapata kweterela mulonganyana wa Limulunga makopano ya Citizens First, bo Stalis Lembe bakupile bayoyeli babo MWALA Kalaluka, babotela mwaliketisa zeka bateni viki onaye. Kuitama kuzwela pili ni zeo batolokile kuva ni kusaba hande KWAMANA ni kusaveiwa fapa mpili kwa bo MWALA Kalaluka. Haibabona bo Slembe baketiwa.
Especially when it comes to public administration. And I think this is one test which they should have passed, but I think for me has been a big disappointment. So my appeal is to the people who are following Mr. MWALA Kalaluka not to despair. Personally, I'm asking for their vote. It's very unfortunate that he has been struck out in circumstances which are quite hard to explain. But then if they give me the mandate to be in power, I will be a council chairperson, obviously, who will be looking at the big picture, at the broader picture, who encompass all political parties. So I'm asking for a vote. The supporters for the independent candidate, I'm looking forward to working with you. And of course, as we go forward, we'll see how this whole thing can work out so that we can put our house in order.
Baba ipapata kweterela mulonganyana wa MONGU makopano ya United Party for National Development UPND kabukusani bo SIWASANYAMBE mu BAANA babonsize SEPO yakuli bakawina mwaliketisa zekabateni la 13 August silimo onase bomu byana batalusize kuli liketisa lizamaile hande mikopano ya muhezi kalabo yende kuzwelela kwa sichaba baikelize kutalusiza Bulozi TV kuli dizoro pili zetisizwe kemutompe hagainde hichilema niketelo ya kopano ya UPND kaufela zai kambolela.
Come August 13, which is Thursday, we are going to win. We've done our homework and all is set and done. We are very certain. Come and check on us on August 13. After 18 hours, we'll be celebrating. The campaigns have been peaceful and they've been okay. So far, so good. We've not had any challenges. We've been to all corners of this place and we have tried to sell the message. Of course, you know that the president has worked and the previous past leaders have also worked. So we are just going to carry on from where they left. And it can show all around that victory is certain.
Lukaishu Musa ainyani mi haloka kuta lukazela pili mwa TUSO ya Luna.
Daddy, what is Vapombwe?
Mapalo, I know you are still young, you can't remember. They once ruled us.
Is Vapombwe bad?
These people are thugs, criminals. They stole from us. We had no medicine in this country because of these people. They were even able to steal the money that is meant for people like your grandmother, the social cash transfer.
Even money meant for Bambuya.
These people terrorize citizens. People were not freely able to visit the markets. If they found you dressed in the attire that they don't like, people were beaten. Others were even killed.
This is scary. How can you stop Vapombwe from coming back?
We have got the power of the vote. You know, everyone should go and vote on the 13th of August.
On August 13th, vote for Hakainde Hichilema as President of Zambia. And let's continue moving Zambia forward together.
In every celebration, there's a simple choice being made. To belong, count me in. In moments of love and promises for tomorrow, count me in. At the checkout line, in the middle of an ordinary day, a reminder that every number matters. Count me in. Across our communities, our streets, the same message finds us. Count me in. From the everyday worker to the hands shaping our future every day, the call is the same. Count me in. Around the traditions that bring us together, the message becomes impossible to ignore. Count me in. This election season, your vote counts. Get your NRSC and voters card ready. Count me in.
Are you unhappy with our content? Do you have a complaint about a program or broadcast? We are committed to providing high-quality content as we strive to be the pride of Barosay. In case you have a complaint against us, here's what you can do. Step 1. Email us directly at bulozitv@gmail.com or contact us on +26074 907921 or simply walk to the station in MWALA compound off MWALA Road, commonly known as Kagravyo Road in MONGU, Western Province, Zambia. We shall respond and resolve your complaint within 14 days. Step 2. If we are unable to resolve your complaint within 14 days, or in case you are not satisfied with our response, you may escalate your complaint to the Independent Broadcasting Authority, IBA, by contacting +26021 250584 or send an email to complaints@iba.org.zm or simply visit their offices on Ali Kinkato Road, Mass Media Complex in Lusaka, Zambia. Your feedback is important to us. By speaking up, you help us improve our content and provide better viewing experience for everyone. Contact us today to register a complaint. Bulozi TV, the pride of Barosay.
HealthNest Medical Center, nurturing health, empowering lives. At HealthNest Medical Center, we provide high-quality, accessible healthcare for individuals, families, and the wider community in MONGU and beyond. We focus on preventive care, offering blood pressure, diabetes and cholesterol checks, HIV counseling and testing, and community health education programs. Our outpatient and maternal child health services support families with general consultations, antenatal and postnatal care, child growth and monitoring, nutrition counseling, and family planning. Our laboratory services provide routine tests, rapid diagnostics, and selected specialized tests, while our pharmacy ensures timely access to medicines with professional guidance. HealthNest is also here during emergencies, providing 24/7 care, stabilization, first aid, and referral services supported by rapid diagnostics and ready access to medicines. We help with recovery and rehabilitation through physiotherapy for children and adults, including clubfoot, fractures, cerebral palsy, neurological conditions, and soft tissue injuries. Our diagnostic services such as ultrasound and ECG help monitor progress, and ongoing preventive care supports long-term health. At HealthNest Medical Center, we combine quality, compassion, and reliable care to nurture health and empower lives. You can locate us at 53120 Lusaka Road, Kambule, 7488 MONGU. Contact us on +2609729 926521. Our website www.healthnestmd.com. HealthNest Medical Center, nurturing health, empowering lives.
Bulozi TV brings Azam to Western Province. Your favorite entertainment is now closer than ever. Get your Azam TV 4 kit from Bulozi TV for only 589 kwacha and enjoy 2 months free subscription. Watch over 150 channels featuring live sports, blockbuster movies, kids shows, drama.
Happy. Because you see, we are connected now.
Hello, Jack. Choose the package that suits you with the Azam Pure, going at only 100 kwacha with over 110 channels. Azam Plus at only 200 kwacha with over 130 channels, and Azam Play at only 300 kwacha with over 150 channels. Visit Bulozi TV today and get connected to affordable quality entertainment. Bulozi TV, your trusted home for Azam TV in Western Province.
Lwitumezi kwinani lunami lwaikeza. Katengo ka Independent Broadcasting Authority IBA kabukusani kafirema mela kwa bavihi ba Makande KWAMANA ni kuhasanya linepo za LIKETISA zeo lisinabupaki kapa niti. Vaitereri babahulu ba IBA bo Webster Malindo batalusize kuli linepo za LIKETISA liswanela fela kupatalazwa ASAMULAHO wa kuzibahazwa kikatengo kakabona za LIKETISA konaka Electoral Commission of Zambia ECZ kabukusani. Bo Malindo basuswelize bapatalazi kubatisa buniti wa makande kaufela ya LIKETISA sihulu lipiho zezwelela famoya.
The coverage is subject to specific requirements under the guidelines. Specifically, broadcasters are not expected to air campaign interviews featuring political parties or candidates nor should they broadcast predictions of election outcomes. All programming on election day should therefore be conducted in strict compliance with the 2026 election coverage guidelines and applicable laws. The authority further reminds broadcasters that no new opinion poll results may be broadcast before the close of polling day. Where opinion polls are broadcast within the period permitted by the guidelines, stations must disclose key information, including the source of the poll, the organization that conducted it, the sponsor, the date it was undertaken, the margin of error, the population sample size surveyed, and generally the sample size. In terms of reporting of election results, the authority wishes to emphasize that election results coverage must be conducted with the utmost accuracy, responsibility, and professionalism. While broadcasters may provide updates on the progress of voting, counting, and tally, they should refrain from announcing speculative, projected, or unverified election results. Election results should only be broadcast once they have been officially announced by the Electoral Commission of Zambia, ECZ.
Babaiterera liketisa mwa Bulozi bo Nixon kwapu basuswelize likwata zenga kabelo mwakuza maisa liketisa kuli baize musebezi wabona kakutala ni kaswanelo lizazi la liketisa. Kwambola kwa mukopano ono bileteni bonkwapu bataluze kuli mukopano wo neonga ongezwi kufaliseli kuli bene baliteni bakone kuyoenga musebezi wabona kakutala ni katukelo vaikelize kutalusa kuli kakubali membala ze TUSO maliketisa banani kalulo tuna kubona kuli liketisa zaza mayakaswanelo mwa Bulozi lote.
As members of the Election Support Center, you play a critical role in coordinating election operations, monitoring developments, facilitating timely communication, and responding effectively to emerging issues. This workshop, colleagues, has been organized to equip all of you who are participants in this gathering with the knowledge, the skills, the practical understanding required to perform your various duties effectively.
Likandelale likone kulufitsa kwa mafelelezo atukso yaluna miruka ikupuza hapeli toho zene panga makande. Baana ba LILIMO Z90 mwa MONGU bakupile TUSO ASAMULAHO wa KUKULA LIHUTU ni MUKOKOTO. Wo MWALA BAITAMILE KUSHONGOLOLA KWAMANA ni KUZWA KWABONA LIKETISA. Wo SIWASANYAMBE BANANI SEPO ya KUWINA LIKETISA ZETAHA. Luitumezi mwakona kubuha tukso ye nili tukso zaluna kaufela fa TopStar channel 120 mwali bakaze sunasina MONGU, Limulunga, Nalolo, Lusaka, Chongwe, Chilanga, libakaze mwasenanga, Lufusa mane nilibakaze nzi mabapa. Kapa mwakona kulufumana falikepela luna la Facebook luna la Bulozi TV. Fapira bomanjinela kina Mike Moya minili kozo.